and welcome in today's tutorial. So today we are going to design a simple logo using our app Pixel Lab. So we are going to use our app called Pixel Lab to design a simple logo, a simple TS logo. So let us open our app, our Pixel Lab app, and I have dropped a video on the interface or introduction to this Pixel Lab. So if this is your first time seeing my video, you're welcome to my channel. In this channel I drop video every day on graphic design. All you have to do is just subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share this video to others. Alright, so in today's tutorial we're going to design a simple TS logo. So let me just import the logo that we are going to design so that we can see it, and from there we can now design. All you have to do is just for it to import image, you just click on this plus sign here. When you click on it, then you click on from gallery. Just click from gallery. Then when you click on it, then you now select the picture that you want. Alright, now here's the picture that I want. So we are going to replicate this thing, and this picture that is moving now, we are going to replicate it. Alright, let me just reduce it a little bit. To reduce, all you have to just do is use here. Here is for general reduce or for enlarging anyone. So let me just reduce it like this. Alright, the first thing you have to do is to choose your background. That's the first thing you have to do in any of your work. You have to choose your background, and from this thing we have white as our background, so I will choose white as our background. Alright, so now the next thing that we have to do now is now to start designing. Now we are going to text. So here is where we get everything about text. So let us click there. Then we now click on this plus sign here for us to add text. We click on it. Now we already have a default text here, which is new text. Then if you want to edit it, you come here. Then let us click on the pencil. Then let us edit. Erase this. Then capital letter T. That's the first one. Only capital letters T. Then all you have to do is just click here. OK. Then you shift this thing that's moving. Shift it till you size. Till you see this size. Alright, so you click on it. That is where you can increase the size of your text. So let me increase it by moving the button. You can see the thing is increasing. Alright, so let me keep it like this. Then if I want to increase it further, then I have to use this to increase it again, because the size, the default size that the app is rendering us is only 300. So if you want to increase beyond this 300, then use this. Okay, let's use this, and you can see the thing is moving. Alright, so let us keep it like this. Then the next thing we have to do is to choose a font for this T. You can see that our T and the thing, the logo that we want to replicate are not the same. So all we have to do is to choose the font for it. Just click on the text, then you shift this thing, you will see font. Yes, see it here, font. All you have to do is click on it, then you now choose any font that you want. Alright, there are many fonts here, so the one I'm going to show you the particular one that we are going to use, and that is this one here. This one here, this is the one. Let me do it so you can see it very well. Yeah, this is the one that we are going to use for this design. So all you have to just do is click on it. You can see from here now it is already changing. It is already changed. It's already changed. If I click another one, it will change. Then just look at it. Click another one. You can see the thing have changed. So let us just click the one that we want. Alright, so this is, so we have gotten this text, which is T. Alright, let's just place it like this and leave it. Now we have to add another text by just coming to here. So you click on it, the plus sign, then you click on this pencil to edit it. Then you erase this and write S, capital S. Then you click on OK. Then you come to size again. Normal thing, the same way you increase it. Then you come here to increase it again. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, so now let us go to font. We are going to give it a font again, and I say for you to choose a font, just click on this font. I already have a font that we are going to choose, so let me just look for it. Oh, where's this font? No, not this one. on this one. As you're changing the fonts, just be looking at this place. You will see that the text is changing, the style of the text is changing. So if you see the one, or if you now see the one that you need to use, you now leave it. That's how to choose fonts sometimes. As a beginner, that's how you used to choose fonts. Okay, I've seen the one that I'm looking for. So what we're going to use is this one. We're going to use this one for this design. Okay, all I have to just do is click on it and you click on OK. Alright, then let me increase it a little bit. Then okay, let me reduce it small. Yeah, that's cool now. So let's just place it the way we see in the logo. Let me bring the logo here so I can see it very well. Alright, so you can see that the thing already resembles our logo. Let's just reduce the S a little bit again. Alright, so this is perfect. I think it's cool now. Alright, so we have formed the logo already. So all we have to just do is to merge these two tests. These things are two tests, so let us see how we can merge them. And I told you in my introduction to Visualize that if you want to merge, you have to use this. So whether for a merging or for locking, just use that. Okay, let's see how we can merge two of them now. So I'll click there now. Then if I want to merge, I have to click here, this place. Okay, so if I click there, then this thing will change. Then I will mark the two things that I'm going to merge, which are these two only that I'm going to merge. If I want to merge them with this design again, then I have to check mark it. So all you have to just do is click on those ones that you want to merge. Then after clicking on it, then click on this center one here, this one that's here. Alright, so when you click on it, you say confirmation. Are you sure you want to merge the selected objects? Just click OK. So this now have become an object. It's now, as it will say, it's an image. It's no more a text. So you cannot edit this thing under text again, and that's why we are under text, but it's not showing us anything for us to edit. But if we go to shape, under shape, then it will now show us many things that we can edit. Let's just click on shape, and shape is this place. Alright, so if I should click there now, then you can now see that I can edit many things. So this thing that I have merged automatically becomes a shape. It's no more a text. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do to this thing now is to give it a stroke. Let us give it a 3D shape. By coming to this place, you can see 3D shape. Alright, so you click on it, then click on this enable button. Then you go down, you will see another enable button. They have on it for you. Just off it. If you reach here, just off this button that is here. This button, off this button. Alright, then come back again. This place we are seeing dark on. If you want the stroke that they are going to give you, you just make sure that you click this into 100%. Alright, so another thing is now the depth. That is how the big or the thickness of this of the stroke they are going to give us. Let's just increase it. You can see the thing is increasing. You can see it. So let's just put this one to 10. Yeah, let us put it to 10. It's okay. Alright, if you want to choose color for this thing, for this your stroke, all you have to do is just come here. You choose your color. If you need gradient, if you need color, but they have given us auto. So this app is suggesting for us black. That is auto. Alright, I think we are done with this part. Alright, then the next thing we are going to do is that from our logo here, you can see that the thing has a golden tint, so it's not a pure color. Alright, so let us see how we can add that to our own. Then click on it. Then we'll search for a place where we can see texture. And here it is texture. Alright, so you click on texture. Then you click on this image sign, having a symbol. You click on it. I will teach you guys how to download this type of textures in using your Pinterest. Let me just select the one that I want. Let me make use of this. Let me just crop it a little bit. This how to crop. Alright, then you just click on this check mark here. Alright, excuse me. Alright, you can see the thing now resemble our design. You can see it. So this is how you can make your design. Then if we look closer to our design, you will notice that it has a little shadow, a little black thing inside it. Alright, so let me reduce it so we can add our own now. For us to add this, we use the property called shadow. So let us look for shadow, and here is shadow. See shadow here. So this is what we are going to use. Alright, so you click the enable button, then you now select the color you want. So we are going to use black. Then sorry, I'm putting shadow in this image here, not this one, so we have to click on this one to apply. Alright, so it's the same process. Just click on shadow, then click on enable button. The thing is already in black color already. Then this offset X and offset Y is just for it to move the shadow, where the shadow, the direction of the shadow. So if we increase it, this one will be moving it to the right, but if we decrease it, will be moving to the left. Then Y, it will be top and bottom. So that is just it, but we don't need this now, so we have to set them to 0. We want the shadow to apply equally in all the shape, so we don't have a specific direction, so we have to set it to 0. Then this blur radius, you can increase it, and increase it like this is okay, to 15 is okay. Then just click on this check mark here. Alright, I think we are almost done with our design. Let me just remove the shadow that I applied to this image here. We have to just go to shadow again, then you off this button. Just off this button. Yeah, it's all removed. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to just do is just to, okay, I forgot something. Let us go back to our texture. Click on the image, the logo that we are designing. Then let us go back to texture. You can see there is an enable button here, so you have to click on it so that the thing will be okay. Click on it. You can see the thing is changing. If I off it and on it, the thing is changing. This logo is changing, so you have to on it. Alright, so let us just add text, and we are done with our design. Let us just add text. So this is just go to text again, normal way. Then you go to edit, then just write a TS logo, and keep it like this. You can change the font. Let us get the font from here, the same font that we used here. So let us click on the text we are editing, and we click on font the same way that I did others. Then what we are going to use this time around is this one, this chunk 5. So you click on it, then you click on OK. I think that's good enough. Then you place it like this. Then you add another text. So you now add your name here, designed by your own name. So I will say designed by Divitech Graphix. Alright, so just resize it, this one, and it will be it. Then you have to come to color and change the color. The color is not purely black color, so all you have to just do is click on this color here, and you now search for the color you want. There are a lot of colors, so but we are looking for black, and here is black, so you just click on black and it's okay. So we are done with our design. You can see it, we are done with it. Alright, so I said I will teach you people how you can download this type of texture with your Pinterest. So but before we do that, let's just save our project. For us to save our project, just click here, this place, just click here. Then we now have save as project and also save as image. So we are going to save as project and also save as what, image. For us to save as project, just click on it, then you give it a name. You can just say TS logo. You can see I already have this because I have designed this before and I have saved it. So you can just say TS logo, then click on OK. But I'm not going to click on OK because I already have this saved in this app. Then if you want to save it now as image, click the same place. Then you now click on save as image. Then you click on save to gallery here. And that's all. You are done with your design. Very simple. Alright, so let us see how we can download this texture now. Let me minimize and go to my Pinterest app. Here it is. Alright, let us open our Pinterest app. Alright, once the thing is open, you have to just do is come to this search here. You click on it. See if there is not enough network here. Okay, let's just search for something. Let's search for coding because that thing is a coding. Let's just say coding texture. So that is already they are already suggesting the things. You can see it here. Coding texture. Alright, we click on it. Network is bad. Network. Oh God, just load now. This is just network, it's not a problem, it's just normal network. Okay. Let me just pause this video. When the thing will finish loading, then I'll now show you how you can download it. Back, so this thing I've failed to load. Network is really bad in my site for now, so let me just show you guys what to do in case if your own load. Just click on anyone that you choose. So let me just click any random one. Let me just click on this one here. So if I click on it now, the thing will load. It will start loading. So under here you will still see suggested one for you. So but assuming you want to download this one, there is an image that's supposed to appear here. That image is supposed to appear here. So if assuming that the image that appeared is just this thing that you are seeing now, what you have to just do is click on this here. Just click on these three dots here. If you click on it, the three dots, then you will now see download image. Download image here. So you have to just do is click on that download image, and the thing will download and go to your gallery. So that's how you can download textures. The same way you can also use to download background. All you have to just do is search for background, maybe for golden background or white background. Anything, just search it in this Pinterest, because when I did the types of apps that you need to have as smartphone graphic designer, I made mention of this Pinterest, and I say it's used for just for searching for backgrounds and other resources. Alright, so here we are going to end this tutorial, and I hope you have learned a lot today. So by next video, I'm still going to treat another aspect of logo design. Alright, so please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and share this video. If you have any question, just drop it on the comment section and I will get you through any of the questions that you have. See you